I'm just curious if anybody has a next door neighbor that drives them out of their cotton picking minds. Does anybody have a next door neighbor that runs a chipper non-stop all day long? What do you do about that? I mean, you can't even sit out on your back deck and listen to music. I mean, you also almost need noise canceling headphones just to be on your own property. I mean, I have like 4.6 acres. And this is what I listen to on a daily basis. If it's not this guy over here, it's this guy over here who hires somebody to take care of his property, and all he does is run a blower, a gas-powered blower, like 6 hours a day. Does anybody have any suggestions of what to do with idiots like this? Please let me know.